Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is one of the newer Paclock 100G military padlocks. So this is a US military padlock. This all appears to be made out of some hardened steel. So this is a laminated lock. It's not all brass. It's got a nice sort of coating on it though. Looking at the wear here, it looks like a coating on here. Could be a brass coating. I don't know how they get the colour on these locks. So yeah, it's a little 5-pin lock. There's the bitting. Very smooth ball bearing mechanism, which is very nice. And I think what we should do is throw this in a vise and see how tough it is to pick. So we're in the vise. Here is the key. Very average bitting, very low on pin 5 and then medium height pins 4 to 1. Works very fine. Just lock that back up. Going to use what am I going to use? Some top of the keyway tension like that, and a Peterson gem. We're just going to go in and see what we can find. So already pin 5 there, pin 3, go back through, that's pin 2, pin 1. Now, there we go, and into a bit of a false set. That's pin 3 again, and we're open. Wow, that didn't take long at all. Need quite medium to light tension on this. Otherwise, yeah, not too bad to get an open on at all. So, I mean, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment about this lock, then please do drop a comment below. I read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you all next time.